What's up guys, so today I'm gonna show on how to install Happymod on your LG phone. So if you have some web browsers, I think, so this might take an hour. So you're gonna just search up this phone is like really slow, so you're gonna look up Happymod APK. So just press it. So just wait for a second. So now just click the Happymod. Click download now. And now just click download latest. Now just click download on the LG. So it might give you this pop-up. So just wait, and now it might install it. So now just go up like this, click file manager, click download, click Happymod, and now just wait, and it might just say, do you want to install this application? Just click install, and just make it just take a second for a little bit, because this might be really long. It might just say app installed. Click open, and it's gonna let you in. And look, okay, it might just say allow Happymod to access photos, media, and files on your device. You can either allow it or either like deny it, so I'm gonna just allow it. So it just has ads, so that's annoying. And now you can download any apps you want. So bye.